Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. In this video, I will tell you about mathematical symbols. Before we go on the material, let me introduce myself. My name is Retno Purnasari. You can call me Retno. My student's number 062130100616. My class is 2SF and my subject here is English 2 and my lecturer here is Ma'am Dwi Meifa Saptiani SPD MPD. My major here is Civil Engineering at State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. Okay, let's talking about the material here. What is mathematical symbols? Mathematical symbols are used to perform various operations. The symbols make it easier to reveal mathematical qualities. It is interesting to note that mathematics is complete based on numbers and symbols. The math symbols not only refer to different qualities but also represent the relationship between two qualities. All mathematical symbols are mainly used to perform mathematical operations under various concepts. As we know, the full name of math is mathematics. It is defined as the science of calculations, measuring qualities, shape, and structure. It is based on logical thinking, numerical calculations, and the study of shape. Algebra, trigonometry, geometry, and number theory are examples of mathematical dimensions. And the concept of math is purely depend on number and symbols. We're talking about the first one. The first one is addition sign. Plus denotes additions and is read as plus. For example, 3 plus 2. Okay, the second is subtraction sign. Denotes subtractions and is read as minus. For example, 3 minus 2 will read 3 minus 2. Number 2 denotes the additive inverse and is read as negative or the opposite of. For example, negative 2. Okay, we go on. Number 3 is multiplication sign. We can write with X or dot. In elementary arithmetic, denotes multiplications and is read as times or multiplied by. For example, 3 times 2. We can read with 3 times 2 or 3 multiplied by 2. And then in geometry and linear algebra denotes the cross product. And then if we write with dot in elementary arithmetics denotes multiplications and is read as times or multiplied by, the same as like x. But in geometry and linear algebra denotes the dots product. So if we use x, it's cross products, and if we write dot, it's the dots product. Okay, we go on the number 4. It's division sign. Okay, denotes divisions and is read as divided by. For example, 3 divided 2, we can read 3 divided by 2. We have 3 ways to write divided sign. The first one is widely used for denoting division in Anglophone countries. It is no longer in common use in mathematics and its use not recommended. In some countries, it can indicate subtraction. The second one denotes the ratio of two quantities. In some countries, may denote divisions. In Saint-Baldier notation, it is used as a separator, meaning such that. The third one denotes divisions and it's read as divided by or over. Often replaced by an horizontal bar. Denotes a quotient structure. In number theory and field theory, in probably theory denote a conditional probably. Okay, we go on number 5. Number 5 is equality sign. We can read with equality and inequality. Here we have two examples about equality sign. About equality denotes equality used for naming a mathematical object in a sentence. For example, 3 times 4 equals 12. And then the second ways in equality sign is denotes inequality and means not equality. So the first one we learn about equals, and the second one is not equals. 3 times 4 not equals 5. Okay. We go on number 6. Number 6, square root sign. Denotes square root and it's read as the square root of. For example, square root of 3 plus 2 with an integer greater than 2 as a left superscript denotes an th root. For example, 7th root 3. Okay, we go on number 7. Percentage sign. Denotes percentage is read as percent. For example, 100%. We go on number 8. Number 8, degree symbols. Denotes degree symbols and is read as degrees. For example, 50 degrees. Okay, we go number 9. Comparison sign. We have 4 comparison sign here. The first one is strict inequality between two numbers, meanings and is read as less than. The second one is means less than or equal to. The third one is strict inequality between two numbers, meanings and it read as greater than. The fourth one is meaning greater than or equal to. Number 10, antiderivative sign. Without a subscript denotes an antiderivative. With a subscript and a superscript or expressions placed below and above it denotes a defined integral. With a subscript that denotes a curve denotes a line integral. Okay, we go on number 11. Sigma notations denotes with sum of a finite number of terms which are determined by subscript and superscripts which can also be placed below both. Okay, I have the last one is number 12. We go on number 12. P sign. Denotes P and is read as P. Okay, I think that's all about math symbols. Thank you for your good attention. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Good afternoon. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.